You can see here on the front driveline, this is our one zert fitting. I never put a zert gun or a grease gun on a dirty fitting. You don't want to shove any of that down in there. So give it a little bit of a wipe and then grease up both sides. There's only one zert on there. Let's see if I can find a way to show you this. Nothing here, nothing here, just the one. So depress the little nipple there inside, make sure that it moves, and then throw your grease on there, fill up your joint, and move on. Couple pumps. Whoa. And then we're going to rotate it and make sure we have grease at each corner. Not until after we clean it. Got grease coming out here. It's like a little right there. Right there. It's going to need some more. There it is. Now, instead of leaving all that in there, of course, I'm going to wipe it up. While you're playing with your wheels, now is a great time to check your locking hub. Rotate it over to lock. See if it's engaging the driveline. Move it around. Try again. Take a peek underneath. See if you can see the driveline rotating. That way, if you're out and about, off-roading, playing in the snow, whatever the case, it doesn't surprise you when it does or doesn't work. Hopefully, it does work.